Welcome to Linguistics Scholars YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have clearly discussed about segmental features and distinctive features as part of Unit 1 Phonetics and Phonology. In this video, we are going to talk about degree of constriction in phonetics. As we all know, we have already covered place, manner, and the voice of consonant sounds and their production. So, this concept is closely related to manner of production. These are majorly 6 types of degree of constrictions. We will discuss one by one with the examples. The first one is complete closure. It means that when you are producing a speech sounds, there is a complete blockage of the air, as you can see in the production of plosives and the nasals. As you can see the example, when you are pronouncing pick and bed, you block the air completely by upper lip and the lower lip, and you open them suddenly, so resulted into a sudden blast of the air. But before that, there is a complete blockage of the air. Such closure, such degree of constriction is called as complete closure. Next, we have close approximation. It means that the articulators come close to each other, leaving some space to escape. So here the examples can be seen from the fricatives. As you can see in the production of the words first and van, the first sound f and v, when you are pronouncing, you are getting contact your lower lip with the upper teeth, but they are not completely blocking the air, but there is a narrow gap that leads to escape the air to the out, resulted into a production of fricatives. Such type of constriction in the mouth is called as close approximation. And the next we have partial closure, which means close in some part of the oral cavity. Let's say you are producing a lateral sound the tip and the blade of the tongue get in contact with the hard palate. So as a result, the air escapes from the sides of the mouth. The air escapes from the sides of the mouth. So here the tip, and because of the contact between the tip and blade and the hard palate of the mouth, it do not allow the air to come out from the center part of the mouth, rather it allows from the sides. So the certain part of the mouth is closed completely. So such type of constrictions is known as partial closure. And the next type we have intermittent closure. Here the speech sounds are produced with such a constriction that the articulators completely block the air for the short time and then open and then again black for the short time. So as you can clearly see in the fricatives, especially in the production of j, when you pronouncing the word church, the initial sound j can be understand here very clearly. As you can see, the blade is getting contact with the alveolar ridge. So there is a complete blockage of air here. But there is a release when you say church. You are blocking the air completely for a very shorter time, and then you are releasing not as a plosive. Okay, you are releasing it as a plosive. So it's a complete blocking followed by sudden release. So there is a intermediate blocking, intermediate closure of the air. So such type of constrictions to the air are called as intermediate closure. And next we have open approximation. It means the oral tract is somewhat more open than close approximation. As you can see here, this is close approximation, but there are the teeth and the lower lip are very close and leading the air to escape by friction. But in this case, there is no friction between the two articulators involved in the production of the speech sounds. As you can see here, it is showing the production of the R sound. As you can see, there is a gap. There is a free gap that air easily can escape without friction. So such type of constriction, actually there is no constriction, it's a lack of constriction for the production of the consonants called as open approximation. And there is last and the final most important for the production of the vowels is called as open transition. It means there is no obstruction, only modification of the air takes place, and this is a major difference from the vowels and the consonants. All other 5 degree of constrictions are exclusively talks about the consonants, but the opener transition is especially for the vowels, as there is no obstruction, only modification of the air happens, and this is the major reason for the classification of sounds into consonants and vowels. So these are the 6 degree of constrictions or modifications that the air happens in the production of consonants and the vowels. And the 5 degree of constrictions, those are complete closure, close approximation, partial closure, intermittent closure, open approximation, or talks about the degree of constriction in the consonants, whereas the last one, opener transition, talks about the vowels. In relation to this topic, we are going to discuss sonorants and obstruents in our next class. So please do subscribe to our channel, Linguistics Scholars. If you have any queries in linguistics, you can write to netjrfscholars@gmail.com. Thank you.